Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can withdraw money from Draftkings to Cash App. So you can do this, but not directly. So what you need to basically do is you want to use Cash App on Draftkings through the Cash App card, which is basically a debit card, okay? So this is how you do it, guys. First things first, you want to ensure that your Cash App card is activated and linked to your Cash App account. It works like any other, Visa debit card. And then you want to basically add funds. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your Cash App account to cover the deposit you intended to actually make on a DraftKings. And then, guys, you want to go ahead to the deposit section of DraftKings and select the option to add a new payment method and enter your Cash App card details, just like you would with any other debit card. Then, guys, you want to go ahead and complete the transaction. Just follow the prompts to complete your deposit. And, since DraftKings accept Visa debit card, your Cash App card should work seamlessly. And, guys, that is how you can withdraw money from DraftKings to Cash App. So I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, guys. Turn on those bell notifications to get notified of the next video. And I'll see you in the next one.